Where's the radius? It's the hypotenuse. Do you guys see how it's pretty much the same triangle? This side is 2x. Half of that is what? What's half of 1? A half. And then 1/2 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 3 over 2. It's just this time the square root of 3 of 2 is going up and down, and the 1/2 is going left and right. Am I going slow enough? Do you feel like I'm leaving you behind? This is boring. You dying a little bit inside? A little bit? Why, it's like just a small amount, yeah. Okay, back to this. I'm going to leave that blue on the bottom, but I'm going to highlight my pink going up and down here. What should I write first? What is the blue edge? How much is that? 1/2? And how much is this height? Square root of 3 over 2. After this conversation, by the way, you should be covered for that C test. Is this helping? Understand the unit circle a little bit?
A little bit.
Takes a while. We have one more triangle to do. Can you figure out which one it is? 45, 45, 90. It always sounds like a auctioneer when you say it that way. 45, 45, 90. Sold. Young man in the front who likes to play the piano. Yeah.
Thank you. Double dust right there.
Yeah. Anybody loving how nerdy this looks? I mean, it was a sarcastic yeah, but I'll take it. You regretting that decision yet to use that giant marker, or we're still happy? Yeah.
The edges.
Huh? It's not bad.
You changed the numbers.
All right. Next. $45, $45, $90. $45, $45. Sold. All right. The radius is where? The hypotenuse. That's 1. Now this one's a little harder, because if you compare it to my original here, I've got that x and the square root of 2 equals 1, right? The two hypotenuses equal each other. How do you get x by itself? Divide by what?
Square root of 2.
Divide by the square root of 2. Are you allowed to have a square root on the bottom of a fraction? No, stupidly. So how do I fix that? Anybody remember how to rationalize it?
Multiply square root
square root of 2 over square root of 2. Everybody write this down. So you end up with the square root of 2 over, what's the square root of 2 times the square root of 2? What? Okay, what's the square root of 2 times the square root of 2? It is 2. It's the square root of 4, because remember you multiply the insides when you multiply square roots. So this is the square root of 4, otherwise known as 2. So back down to this triangle, this side is the square root of 2 over 2, and this side is the square root of 2 over 2. I am never going to ask you on a test to show me with a 30, 60, 90 triangle exactly where these numbers come from. But I am trying to explain it to you because I don't like being one of those teachers that just hands you things and tells you to memorize it or believe it. Okay? So this 45, 45, 90 triangle is the square root of 2 over 2. And I'm going to put those in right here. Okay. That's all the gross math out of the way. From here on out, it's easy sailing. All right, so next. What is this point right here?
0, 1.
Do you guys remember 1, 0 or 0, 1?
1, 0.
Where's 0, 0?
Point.
Right there. Right in the middle of the cat butt. That's 0, 0. And this one is 1, 0. How about this one up here? 0, 1.
Bless you.
You say bless you to yourself
I said bless you.
at the same moment that he was sneezing? Very nice. I thought he literally went, bless you. And I was like, that's awesome. Why don't I ever do that? I don't think I could control myself when I sneeze, though. What one? 180, what do you think it is? Nope, remember this is 0. Nope. Negative 1. 0. I love it when you talk. I also like it when you say something really quietly and then look at me like, I'd rather die. Then repeat it. It's a nice little moment for us down here, guys. 0, negative 1. All right.